at you.
And this is crazy. So drop that Coke and buy Coca-Cola. It's hard to resist those different flavors. So go inside and buy Coca-Cola. Who wants this anymore? Coca-Cola comes in 6 different flavors. Original, grape,
Strawberry, cherry,
orange,